Here we'll write a Python program to print sum of first n numbers using class. So first in comment line we'll write. So first we'll define class, print sum. Here we are going to accept the nth term from the user. So n equal to input, enter last number for the series. Here we can use for loop, while loop. I will use for loop with range function. So for I in range 1 to n plus 1. Since in range function last number is exclusive, so we will use here n plus 1. To find the sum, we will define one variable sum which is initialized with 0. So sum equal to sum plus I. And outside the for loop, we will print the sum as print sum of first. We will print n and we will give equal to sum. And outside the class, to execute the class, we will create object for this class as p equal to print sum. And we execute. I will give last number as 5. It will print sum of first 5 number as 15. I will give here number. And I will print the number along with it. For this, inside the for loop, I will print I. And I execute again. I will give 5. It will print first 5 number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it will print sum of first 5 number as 15.